Elias with EG Construction, your best option here. We are ready to start today our new addition right here in Chula Vista. Quick reminder, set of plans, super important to have them. We needed to submit it to the Homeowners Association in this case as well, around 3 weeks so we can have them approval. And we are ready to start. My guys, like you see, they're already start demolishing all the pavements that used to be right here. They are gonna demolish the trellis right here on top of me, and they are taking out the stucco on the back of me. After that, they are going to do all the trenches for our new foundation, 14 by 14 pad that we're doing right here for a new master bedroom. After that, they are going to put all the metal reinforced. Today is gonna be the excavation of the trenches. We are following plans, of course. We are doing an 18 by 12 trench on all the perimeter. On the slab that you're seeing right here, we are going to drill some holes so we can rebar with epoxy. That's gonna be the way that we're gonna connect and make sure that the slab don't separate from each other, from the old structure with the new structure. We are doing some special inspection today. So we are filling our pre-drill hole. We drilled it yesterday and we're filling it with epoxy glue, and we are going to dip on that glue, that screw that you're seeing right there, that anchor bolt, so we can have our new structure attached to that. The inspector wants to see exactly what you're looking at right now, that pop that is saying that all the hole is filled with the epoxy. Perfect. And the plans are calling for 2 rods, 1 of each end. Right there we're gonna have a new 4x6 post that is gonna carry our new beam that we're gonna replace there, so the our old structure doesn't fall on us. So everything's ready. It looks very good. I love it. I'm waiting for the city inspection right now. The city inspector, I'm sorry. Right now he should be here any minute. He's give us a time frame between 9 and 11. So the inspector was here a little bit ago, 9:30 in the morning, and he was okay with everything that he saw. He passed the inspection, so we are ready for pouring tomorrow. Right now they already finished the concrete and they're taking out the forms. So we're gonna let it rest for the rest of the day, and my framer will be here tomorrow morning so we can start building the addition right here. So we're starting demolition right here on the inside of the bedroom. Basically all the drywall is gonna come out because like we discussed, right here is gonna be the new bathroom. So we need that wall to be clear, so we have all the piping and everything. We are at framing day today. Let me show you what we're gonna do. So basically today we're gonna start by removing that beam. Cause it's gonna be a continuous wall like we discussed before, because this is gonna be the new addition. So we need to remove those joists, the one that are marked as a silent floor right there, that piece of joist. We're gonna remove it. That beam that you're seeing right there on the back of my guy, and 2 posts on the side, on each side. One is gonna be right here, the other one is gonna be on this side, that is gonna be supporting the new beam. And then we're gonna have to start removing again the bearing wall right here, window, everything, and installing the new beam and supporting with the new columns. So it's gonna be a fun process today. Almost 4 o'clock, almost time to wrap, and the beam is up already. So the beam is in position, and my guys are trying to persuade the beam to get in. Hard work is already done. It's just a matter of adjusting the joists inside and get it in all the way. Once it's in all the way, we're gonna be able to remove all this, all the wall right here, everything right here, and it's gonna be a big open space. So this morning we went to complete the ceiling right here on the new addition and removing all the shorting and making the partition walls on the inside. We need to as well do the hangers right here on every joist right here on the old addition connected to the new beam, so we can take out all this wood, all the reinforcement wood. After that, we're gonna do the partitions walls right here. You've seen that we're almost done with the plumbing. Basically, well, not so much. They still need to connect the shower and all the vents. But anyway, they're like halfway through with the AVS. The plumbing, as far as the supply, is already done. So we need to do the partition walls right here so my electrician can come and work on Monday. So the inspector came today and he checked our underground system. Everything was done correctly up to code and we passed. So we are super happy because of that. Let me explain to you a little bit what the inspector is gonna come and check for you guys. First of all, most important, he's gonna check that all the fittings that you're using are the correct ones. Everything is up to code and everything is clean and well done. After that, something that is very important as well, you need to fill your system with water so he can check that you don't have any leaks on the joints. Every joint is clean and you have your system filled with water, right? That's very important. Something that is super important as well is that you have the right pitch, enough so water can drain. And lastly, he's gonna come and check that you have your pipes wrapped with foam. Every place that your AVS pipe can touch the new concrete, you need to wrap it with foam, because your AVS pipe cannot be touching the concrete, right? So we have everything ready for as far as the roof. Right here is gonna be our sink. Right there is gonna be our toilet, and right there is our new shower. At the end, you're gonna see a cleanup. A cleanup is very important because if something happened, if the line clog, you need to give access to the plumber so he can come and snake your system. Today, we are going to make a little cleanup right here, and we are going to pour our slab right here at the shower. After that, right here, we still need to frame a window, the niche, and all the backing around it so we can have support for the waterproofing. On the outside, we still need to nail all the shear and the roofing. On the exterior of the shear, the inspector is asking us to put nails every 6 inches, and on the inside of the shear every 12 inches. A little detail that I want to point out is that on the last row right here on the very bottom of the shear, the inspector is asking for the nails to be hot dip galvanized. So this is how our latest addition turned out to be. If you see, you can hardly tell where the house used to end. Everything blends perfectly on the outside. My stucco guys match the texture exactly as the old structure. Right here you can hardly say that it wasn't here from the beginning. So very pleased with their work. They're very professionals. So right here on the exterior we have a sliding door, and we have a sconce lighting and an outlet. That's per code. Every time that you have an exterior door, you have to have those. Right here, entering the new bedroom addition, the new master suite. If you remember on one of the videos, the suite used to come to here and it didn't have any bathroom. Right now, we have this much of a bedroom. We designed this bedroom to be very with a lot of natural light, with those 3 windows. There are fixed windows. They only give you light. They don't give you any ventilation, but you have plenty of lighting right here. Then we have this extra window as well, but per code you need to have a window that can be easily accessed by a firefighter with all their equipment. So right here in California, the minimum requirement is a 4x4 EXO window. We salvaged this shutter from the old structure, and my homeowner wanted to have mirror doors right here in the closet, so that's what we use. And once you open this, it's a very simple closet with a shelf and a rod so that you can hang all the clothing. We have a light right here on the closet, and one light for an exterior light fixture right there on the hallway. On an addition for the natural lighting, we have plenty of LED lights on the ceiling. Same thing right here on the hallway. We have a couple of lights, so I'm pleased with the lighting that we have right here in this new master suite. And lastly, we're gonna talk a little bit about this bathroom. So my clients are in a stage of life that they don't need the bars, but they are thinking that in the near future they might need it. So we install a couple of grab bars right here, and something unique about their necessities right here in this bathroom. Usually whenever we have a shower, a standout shower like this, we don't install the top spout right here. In this case, they wanted to have it just in case that they either want to fill the bucket or they gonna come and wash their feet right there. So it's very, very useful for that. About the tile, usually on the bathrooms we use on the shower pan a smaller tile, so it does give you a way better grip on your feet. You cannot sleep very easy. Then we have a very big niche right there. And if you notice the detail on the tile, I love my tiler because he's very detail oriented. And if you see this big piece right here, he cut it and used it for the inside of the niche. So every line is following the same tile. Same thing right here, same thing right here. And it makes very, very pleasant to the eye. We are using a lot this kind of lineal drains that you can tile on over it, and it makes the seam almost invisible. So we love them. Right here, of course, a full bathroom. It has a toilet, vanity, a big mirror right there, a medicine cabinet, and the light fixture on top. We have our humidity sensor fan right there on top. Per code, you need to have those. And we have the accessories, a towel rack, the ring right there, and paper holder. So basically this is it, our new addition. Flooring is a vinyl plank floor, very a lot of people are using it right now because this is very easy to wipe, very durable, and easy to install. So this is it. This is how we finish our addition. And lastly, thank you guys for all of you guys that are following this remodel, this addition, and please help us with sending this to somebody that might need our help, or if you guys ever need a contractor, please give us a call and we will be more than happy to help you. Thank you very much, guys. Have a great day. See you on the next one.